Hello student, this is class 10 science chapter 4 carbon and its compound. This is part 2. Compound are of two types. First organic compound, second is inorganic compound. Organic compounds are made up of carbon and form the basis of all living organisms. The element carbon is a non-metal. It always forms covalent bonds. The bonds formed by sharing of electron pair between two atoms known as covalent bond. The first point is organic compounds. Organic compounds are made up of carbon. I mean organic compound are only carbon chemistry. Organic compound is a carbon compounds chemistry. In organic compound, we studied hydrocarbon, alkyl halides, alkyl halide, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, etc. These all are carbon is a main elements. The second point is Viv and form the basis of all living organisms. In our body, made up of carbon. In CO2 in the form of carbon. The second point is it is a non-metal. They always form covalent bond. The bond formed by sharing of electrons. They form covalent bond. Covalent bonds means sharing of electrons pairs. Suppose sharing of electron pairs. In C624 is the electronic configuration of C6. In this case, the outermost cell contains only 4 electrons, but on the basis of octet rule, they should have 8 electrons. So in this case they cannot lose 4 electrons and cannot gain 4 electrons. Why? In this case, high amount of energy required to remove 4 electrons, and in this case the C atom is a very small atom. C atom is a very small atom. In this case, 4 electron of outermost cell is represented S. So in this case, in the case of C6, the gain of 4 electron is also not possible, because in this case hold of 4 electron is very difficult due to small size of C6. So sharing of electron takes place in C6. Sharing of electron, so only sharing of electrons takes place in C6. Why? In this case, no negative, no positive charge, no negative and no positive charge occur on carbon atom. Sharing of electron, suppose in case of CCl4, C have 4 electron in outermost shell, which is represented by the cross, and Cl have 7 electron in outermost shell, which is represented by dot S. In this case 7 electron, and in this case 4 electron outermost shell, it gain 1 electron. Cl requires 1 electron to gain octet. In this case 4 Cl atoms are present, so 4 Cl atoms, which is also represented by dot. In this case, this is represented by S, Cl, and Cl. This is the electron of Cl, I mean 8 electron, 1 electron is electron of carbon. This is also the 8 electrons, and this is the 8 electrons of 1 Cl atom. This is the 8 electron, and this is the 8 electron of carbon. 8 electron of carbon, which is represented as, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8 electron of Cl atom. This is called sharing of electron. This is called sharing of electrons. In this case, these electrons are represented by single line, which is called single bonds. This bond is called covalent bond. In this bond, sharing of electron takes place. This is covalent bond. One single bond means 1 electron, and second electron, I mean 1 electron pair, 1 electron sharing pair. sharing pair.